What's the thing that you remember most that coaching really helped you change?
So I think the biggest thing, again, as I was preparing for today, I went back through the notes that I had taken for all of our sessions. And I think it was the very first session you had given me a homework assignment, and you probably still use it, the dream
I
sheet.
do. Yes. Read it. What does it say?
And you gave me the assignment to figure out what is my why.
Mhm.
And that's huge. So it's kind of interesting. Again, I was coming off of a year where I had had knee replacement surgery, hadn't had much business. So, of course, I'm not independently wealthy. I'm in this also to pay my bills was number one.
Mhm.
And then number two was to rebuild my business because I really was in a place where I needed some help to get back on track. And then third, and I think this is the biggest of all, is I wrote, I enjoy helping clients navigate the process of buying or selling. It gives me satisfaction that what I do is worthwhile, and I want to do more of it. And, it makes me think about all of those clients who I help in situations where maybe it's a difficult situation, maybe a parent has passed, or maybe it's a divorce. And then I think of the first time home buyers who we get to help, because home ownership is still the American dream.
It is.
And when I get to help somebody in that, I'm helping them to make their dreams come true. And that is my why. And then all the other stuff kind of falls into place. When I'm operating from that place, I'm successful. I am paying my bills. I am rebuilding my business or growing my business now. But the bottom line is I'm helping other people to achieve their dreams. And that to me is my why.